download, and from the peers, if it's not a sponsored link, we download Twinmotion from there. Basically, we click. Here it explains the steps for downloading Twinmotion. It says that first we need to download the Epic Games launcher and then install the launcher. After installing the launcher, download and install Twinmotion from inside the launcher. Alright, I'm clicking to download the launcher. The launcher is downloading for me here. Now how do the Twinmotion licenses work? While this is downloading, let me explain it to you. The particular version that can readily use completely for free and with all of its comprehensive features is indeed the free-to-use version, which we can easily download and then immediately begin to use, which is exactly what we've just done. What we've done here is fine. What other licenses are there? Each seat costs €500 or $500. Now, depending on which country you're from, the price may vary. There are also some people who have the Unreal subscription, which is a different plan. What's the difference between what we're using here and the version that's available here? If you are a company with that level of income, you must purchase this. But not if your usage is strictly and solely for educational purposes. If you happen to have a small business or a relatively small company and your income isn't particularly high, you can still absolutely use this, and you can even utilize it in commercial projects. This particular version is actually the more widely popular one for most individuals who genuinely want to use Twinmotion. If you want to use Twinmotion Cloud, the only drawback of this plan, this license, is that you don't have access to Twinmotion Cloud. Other than that, everything else is fine. That means you have access to the objects as well as high resolution. You have access for export and you have everything you need. So this free-to-use version is excellent. Alright, now our Epic Games launcher has been downloaded. Here it asks us if we want to install it. If I select this option, it will remove the previous version and reinstall it for me. Since I already have it installed, I won't go through the install process again, but if you select this option, it will show up for you. It will download and install a few more things again. Alright, after the installation is finished, I open the Epic Games launcher. Okay, I got an update, but that's not important. Look guys, Epic Games Launcher is the platform from which Twinmotion is downloaded. You can easily log into it. Right now, my personal name is clearly shown here because I have successfully logged in my account. But if you haven't logged in yet, you will need to carefully enter your unique username and your password here just once. For example, you just enter whatever username you have here. An important point, to use Twinmotion, you must have an Epic Games account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password here. If you don't have one, click on Create Account here and create your account. For example, specify which month you were born in and which year you were born. I'm just filling this out so you can see how it works. Here you specify which country you're from. What's your email address? You enter your name, ID, whatever you want, check this option and your account will be created. It's that simple. Your Twinmotion account is now created. Now since I've already created an account, I'll log into my previous account here. When logging in, you might be prompted with a CAPTCHA to make you're not a robot. The CAPTCHA you get might be different from mine. For example, it might ask you to move this closer. You might get a different CAPTCHA than this. Just complete the CAPTCHA and pass it so you can access your account. Now that I've logged in, it says that a code has been sent to my email, or if you've already created an account, it might ask you to complete two-factor authentication. Alright guys, now I've opened the Epic Games launcher. To install Twinmotion, click on Twinmotion. If the Twinmotion tab doesn't show up for you, click on Unreal Engine once. The Twinmotion tab will appear. Here you can install different versions of it. Now since I've been working with Twinmotion for many years, I have its older versions too, but you might only see the last 2 or 3 versions. You can install the latest version. For example, if 2025 is the latest version, install that one. Install version 25.2. If version 26 comes out later, install that one. We select this version and click on the install option here. Right now, since I already have it, it says launch. For example, if I don't have a version, it will say here install. I can install it. So that for the installation section,